So when it's time to leave, if I have my lines just kind of looped over the dock, like in this situation, it's pretty easy to pull my lines in, get them inside the boat. I'm gonna start my boat up before it's time to depart though. Good, I know I can run. My bow line will be nice and easy. And I can do that right from the dock. And it's not so hard for me to get off that dock. All my lines are off, my lines are in and safe. Kind of a weird maneuver. I'm gonna turn actually towards the dock, wheel to the right in forward gear, puts the bow in and takes the stern off. Now I'm gonna wheel to the left in reverse gear, which is gonna take the stern off the dock. Now I'm just about, 45 degrees. I'm just gonna wheel straight and pull away from the dock. Now I'm backing out. Maybe the weird thing is wheel all the way to my left in reverse. Now the boat's gonna spin out away from that dock. I don't know if we can see with the bow. Notice the bow is spinning completely around, spinning away from the dock, and I can be on my way. There's like 6 ways to skin that cat. Ooh, and get off the dock. That's just one of them.